2.2.
I was just thinking about that bar.
Power functions with modeling.
No?
Power functions and variation. Five of the 12 basic functions are power functions.
Are these long, like yesterday?
This section is just this.
Oh, that's not
But then we're 2.3 is like 2 pages. It'll look like this basically.
So we'll have time to change conversation.
Most likely, if people stop talking, we'll have time. Okay. So definition: any function that can be written in the form f of x is equal to k x to the a, where k and a are non-zero constants, is a power function.
K of x to the a.
Yeah. K times x to the a. Sorry, I know it's a little bit, hold on, it's a little bit squished. It's deep. F of x, k x to the a. There we go. Let's see. The constant a is the power. K is the constant of variation. Or constant of proportion, another name for it. Okay, and another way to write constant of variation, just in short, is COV. So if you ever see that, that's what that means. We say f of x varies as the 8th power of x, or f of x, is proportional to the 8th power of x.
I thought you were saying like the 8th, like number 8, and I was like,
Me too.
no, that's wrong.
The way you said it kind of made me think, I was like, that was a weird way to say it. Like, it just sounded weird. So I looked up and I was like, that's why. Because it doesn't have to do with anything with the number 8, guys.
Yeah, it's kind of, yeah. So. Alright, so we're going to go over some common geometry
Oh,
No.
and science functions.
No one likes geometry.
So we're going to make a little table here. It's going to have 4 columns, 5 rows. So we're going to have name. We're going to have the formula. We're going to have the power. And we're going to have the constant of variation. Alright, so for the first one, it's going to be circumference. Formula is C is equal to 2 pi r. Power is 1. Constant of variation is 2 pi. Then area of a circle. A equals pi r squared, meaning the power is 2, and my constant of variation is pi. Force of gravity. F is equal to k over d squared, which is equal to k times d to the negative 2. So the power is negative 2, and the constant of variation is k. Then Boyle's law. V is equal to k over p, which is k times p to the negative 1. So the power is negative 1, and the constant of variation is k. Okay, basically these are just the formulas that they may ask you to use, okay, in there. And then there's just 2 more definitions, and then we're done with this section. So, direct variation. Power function. Formula with positive powers. Inverse variation. Power function formula with negative powers. As far as examples for this, y'all probably could get it on one page. It's like 25-ish lines for the problems that you need. So if you have that many left on your page,
What do you think? Probably no.
I would leave another page.